Welcome to the session on the chapter How do organisms reproduce. Let's continue with human reproduction. We've learned that the fallopian tubes is a part of the female reproductive structure which receives the ovum from the ovary. Every month only one ovary matures to release one ovum. And this ovum, which is collected by the fallopian tube, one of the fallopian tube undergoes fertilization. And in this module, we are going to learn what is the fate of the egg or the ovum if it does not undergo fertilization. The uterus, which is the largest part of the female reproductive system, it is an elastic bag which helps in the development of the embryo into a fetus. And this uterus is the place where implantation takes place. So in order to receive a fertilized egg, the uterus thickens its wall with rich supply of blood vessels. So it prepares itself to receive a fertilized egg. And suppose fertilization does not occur. No longer the blood vessels is required. Why should the uterus require the blood vessels? It has prepared itself to receive a fertilized egg. So if fertilization does not occur, the blood lining is no more needed. So the lining slowly starts to break down. The lining, which is thickened with the blood vessels, starts to break down, and this breaking down results in the development of blood and mucus. And this blood and mucus, which is released, comes out of the female reproductive structure through the vagina. And this process is called as menstruation. And this cycle takes place roughly every month, and this cyclic movement which is taking place cyclic events which is taking place in the uterus is called as menstruation. And this menstruation lasts for about 2 to 8 days. So if fertilization does not occur, the lining of blood vessels or the thickening of the blood vessels in the uterus is no longer needed, and it breaks down and releases the blood and mucus which comes out through the vagina. And this cyclic events is repeated every month, and this is called as menstruation, which lasts for about 2 to 8 days. So dear children, in this module we learned what is menstruation. Thank you.